Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to generate and then find images using Google Gemini. So as you can see, I've already signed into Gemini right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to head over to the images tab. So you can find it here at the top left hand side of your screen. It should be an icon with a small banana. And that's because the model Google uses is Nano Banana. So here you can write your prompts or maybe follow a template like they've suggested here at the bottom. I'm just going to write one real quick. So I'm going to hit enter. So this is really just random off the top of my head. And it's going to start generating an image, but this shouldn't take very long. Usually it finishes within under a minute, although I guess it does depend on how fast or how complicated your prompt is. So as you can see, it's been generated. Now I can click on this download button that appears when I mouse over it to download it and use it for whatever I might need. And you can also find all your media, all the images you've generated here in the library tab. So you can also find this at the left-hand side of your screen. It's right below the images tab. So go ahead and click on library. And as you can see, the image that I just generated has been moved here. So it's really that quick and that easy. As long as you get used to the UI, you shouldn't have any issues. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.